Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share another page in my artisan journal for hashtag artisan journal prompt 2024, hosted by Patti over at Life with Patti. I'll have her link down below so you can go and check her out. And also I'll have the hashtag in my title so everybody can click on it and look at everybody's creations because they're all different. I was getting nervous. I was crafting with my girlfriend Nada from Nada Creations, and I asked her for help because I didn't know what to do. And we were talking and everything, and she told me, "Do you have a deer dye? Deer paper? Do you have stickers? And I'm like, I have a deer dye, but I have no stickers. I really don't have paper, woodland papers at all. Or I had to dig and find something. So let me share, and this is week 34. And let me share my page. So what I did, and I think I have the stamp here. So we were talking, and I used this die set from, it must be from Allie because I don't have the packaging for it. So I really love this die set. So I had that. I had a Rudolph die, but I didn't really want that. And then she asked me, "Do you have, like a wood grain?" And I, dug in my papers, and I found this paper pad from Joann's, and I used a 12 by 12 sheet of paper that I also have. See, and I found the squirrel from this paper pad. I love this paper pad because I love the neutral tones in it. And I love the plaid. I love the leaves and the pumpkins and the acorns. Not so much the squirrel, but it came in handy. And then I used this stamp that I had in my stash, and I think I got this at Hobby Lobby a while back. I don't even think I got it on sale, but I really liked this stamp set because of the background. So she told me, make it dark, and I used an old stamp pad from Stampin' Up. It's Hunter Green, Handsome Hunter, and I stamped it really good with ink. And then she told me to stamp it again to make it lighter because, normally in the background of a forest, there's some lighter trees. So I did that. I fussy cut it out. And then I die cut the deer out of some craft cardstock. I found this stamp in my stash. Oh, here it is. It was in a random stamp, and the rubber came off. The sponge, or the, what do you call that, foam that helps you stamp. But I took it off because it was irritating me. And I stamped it. I inked it up and then I stamped it. It stamped pretty good. Let me show you up close. And then I colored him up with some color pencils. And then I found this bird. It could be a hawk. And I found that from this stamp set. It's a Dollar Tree stamp set because she asked me, "Don't you have a bird stamp?" It's like, oh, I don't know. And I had to, dig through my stuff, which I love crafting with other crafters because they see things differently, and it helped me craft. It helped me use my stash to create something, and I just love that. So I stamped that bird out. I'm trying to, there you go. Stamped it out. Let me see if I can move it down. You can see it better. So I stamped it out and I colored with my pencils, my colored pencils. I even tore the wood grain in the background. So I kind of gave it a woodsy feeling. And then, no, can't really get this here. And then on the bottom, there's my little squirrel. So this week's prompt was woodland animals. And these are all the animals that I can think of. I have a bear die, but it's a cutesy bear, and it really didn't go with the theme or the layout that I was going for, because believe me, I have bear dies. And if I was making it look cutesy, I would have, added here, but I think it looked really cool. I love how the trees are kind of staggered. The further you go, it's kind of lighter, and then the closer you are, it's darker. So I love that from Nada. Nada, you're awesome. And yeah, I want to hopefully you like my page, and I thought this was lots of fun. And thank you, Nada, for your help. So have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.